Hi, it's Phil from Countfire, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with taking off your drawings. So to begin, I'm going to click on a thumbnail, open up the drawing, and then I'm going to head over to the Count tab. The first thing that I always tend to do when taking off a drawing is click on the background button. That's going to hide all of the information that we're not interested in out of the way. We can then click on the Create button to create a new symbol heading, such as I'll type a fitting here. We can zoom in on it, click to select, and you'll see here we get a crosshair rather than the arrowhead, and that allows us to draw a box around our type A fitting. And you can see with one click it finds 125 of the matches on this drawing. We can then click to create another symbol, such as our type B, and repeat the process, and you can see it automatically changes the colour of the symbol. You can, if you wish, change it yourself just by clicking on the box here and choosing a selection of colours there for you. If we save this and move on to the next drawing, you'll see that it's not just counting on that one drawing, it counts across the entirety of the project. On this drawing you can see that we have some measurements to be made. So the first thing I want to do is just check the scale of this drawing, and it's telling me that it's 1 to 100 at A1. So in this scale box we're going to pop in the number 100 and then press enter, and you'll see when we click in this box it actually shows up with a box around the drawing that tells us this is in fact an A1 drawing. If you find that that is incorrect, you can always just lean on our help button, send us a message, or search for the word scale. To begin making a measurement, click on the Create button again, and then you can take off by point, by length, or by area. I'm going to take off by length, and we've got some 100mm basket. This is a free moving tool. You click once to start, but you can hold down the Shift key and that will lock it to 90 degrees. Click again to change direction, and then double click to finish like so. Or click inside this orange bubble. We can then also create manual points as well. So by using the point tool, I can take off my bends, and we have a wealth of colours and shapes to choose from for these as well. So you can mark up your bends and your tees. We're also able to add notes to the drawing. If, for example, we find that maybe a light fitting is missing and needs to be added, we can create a note, mark it up like so. We can move it around to wherever we need to, and even add an arrow, or if we wish, a cloud. Finally, we also have a zone tool. This allows you to edit and break apart the drawings into a way that you see fit. So to start with, you can see that I'm actually picking up part of the legend here. We're picking up a type A fitting, and we want to ignore that. So the first thing we want to do is add a zone to this drawing. Now everything outside of this blue area is going to be ignored, as you can see by these hatch lines here. But we can then create another zone and split this out further. So if we turn our background back on, perhaps we want to exclude this toilet core, or break it out separately. We can then draw around this section like so. Now when we process the project, everything that's within that red section will be quantified separately from everything in the main drawing. Hope this helps and gives you a little bit of guidance on how to get started. If you have any questions, as always, do just lean on the orange help button. Thank you.